da. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.
Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Yes, very good, baby Nitro. Thank you for the intro to the vlog. Thank you, baby. Alright, mabuhay Pilipinas, what's up sa India, mga kamaksis, pangdoon vlog sa pabibo, pabibe, and pabebe. Wow. Alright guys, today we are going to do a car wash. Yes, ito ang pinakaunang car wash natin. Never kami nag-car wash as a family.
Kala ko mag-iiba na ka.
Ha? Hindi ako nag-iiba na. Ano pa ba?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Alright, so mag-car wash na tayo, baby. You know how to do that? I don't think you do, but you're gonna learn. Alright, Thunder fam, here we go. Pinakaunang family car wash. Nitro, come here, buddy. Wash the car. You're gonna wash the car. Yes. You're gonna wash the car. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Ooh, yeah. You go like this. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Wash the car. You wash the car. Don't forget. You do it. You do it. Ready? Like this. Watch the car. You do it. Watch the car. Like that. Yeah, boy. Like that. Watch the car. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Watch the car. Watch it. Watch the car. Yeah, good boy. Watch the car. Watching. Alright. Yeah, I'll get you a sponge. Boy. Nitro, ready? You do it. You spray. Ready? Yes, good boy. Alright, let's wash the car. Come on, wash the car, Daddy. Tingnan nyo dito, may tumae. Tingnan mo. May tumae. Wash the car, Nitro. Wash the car. Get the sponge, wash the car. Mommy help you. Tutulungan ka ni Mami, ha? Tutulungan ka ni Mami. Paghugas na, bebe. Hugas na, hugas. Go, bebe. You do it.
He just wants to take a bath.
Nitro, you can do it, bebe. Come on, buddy. Go, Nitro. Go. Like this. Like this. You do it. Fine. Do it. Come to the car. You right, baby? You okay? Huh? You just want to play in the water, don't you? Watch the car. Yeah, good boy.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crying.
Alright, don't friend, eto na siya. Yun na. Nice and clean na, malinis na talaga siya. Sa wakas. Grabe, ang dumi-dumi. Kanina, ngayon, parang okay na siya. Brand new na. Yun o, ang ganda na. Pwede na. Sosyal na. Alright, mga friend, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. It's looking beautiful na. Hey, baby. Yes, it looks beautiful, huh? What? You want to watch TV? You want to watch the Wiggles? Minsan nanonood siya ng TV, pero dapat wag masyado para hindi siya ma-addict. Diba, baby? Yes.
Nag-baby shark na, baby shark. Baby shark,
Baby
shark.
Marunong na. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And thank you Nitro for helping Daddy clean the car. And baby, we'll see you sa sunod na video ng Granta. Alright guys, bye for now.
Yeah.